Hello everyone, today I'm gonna go through a couple more settings from the EOS RP. So I got these two rental camera that I'm gonna shoot tomorrow. This one is EOS RP and then this one is EOS R, and I have the RF 35mm on both of them. So stay tuned for more photo shoots behind the scene coming up and more comparison. My first comparison probably have the blind test. So let's go through the menu. So the first thing I checked here, because I'm shooting as a hobby only, I'm shooting JPEG as a casual shooter, and I'm just let this one as the L 26 megapixel. I turned this off. The default was 2 seconds, so I turned this off. The image review, and then the lens, I didn't change anything here. I changed ISO setting, auto. These two I didn't change. Only this one I changed to manual. 1/125. So these have been all consistent with my other setup on other brand of the camera as well. So let me go back. Okay, so the next one, I didn't change anything in this number 3 tab, white balance. I'm gonna keep both camera at the auto white balance to see how the performance is gonna go. I don't use gray card this time because I found out that the gray card in the daylight, it doesn't change that much in the Canon camera, so I leave those on. These I use standard in both of the camera for tomorrow's photo shoots. I don't have anything other in this one. I don't think I changed any of these. The only thing I changed this here is the face tracking. I noticed that in the Servo AF, I can use face tracking and the eye tracking in the EOS RP, but in the EOS R, I have to use one shot in order to use the IAF. So it seems like there's a software improvement in the RF, the latest RF. So I have the IAF enabled. Continuous AF for the when you're not pressing the shutter, I disable that. And I didn't change any other thing in this tab. So let me quickly go to this one. I disable the beep sound in this one, and that's it. That's all my changes in here. So the only thing I noticed when I was changing it was the autofocus system. So from the let me go back. Yeah, from here, this is different than the EOS R. So when you are in servo mode, you can still have the face tracking and enable the eye detection. But in the EOS R, so let me just quickly open this one. So this is the EOS R. I'm gonna just give you a comparison quickly. Go back to the AF. So one shot, then you can do the enable IF, but if I do servo, it disable automatically. So this is the difference. Hopefully they have a firmware update for the IAF that even you are in the servo mode, you can still doing the IAF, just like what Sony do, like that. So this is my quick menu review, just to see how I set up my shoot for tomorrow. These two comparison. I will have a couple more comparisons coming up. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.